Okay, so here is another cool little Chrome extension. I hope turns out to be very good. So this one has 1.5 million users and 2,422 reviews. So I'd say this is a very popular one. So we're going to add this to Chrome. Clicked on extension, said OK, and there should be a little pencil showed up right there. So the features are, it is an eyedropper. Get the color of any pixel or area on the page. An advanced color picker similar to ones that can be found in Photoshop and Paint Shop Pro. Web page color analyzer. Analyze DOM element colors in any web page. Locate corresponding elements. Ultimate CSS gradient generator. Ooh. See what that is. Palette viewer with 7 pre-installed. Blah, blah, blah. Single click for color picking. And pick colors from flash objects. Pick colors at any zoom level. ColorZilla.com. Okay, powerful Photoshop like CSS gradient editor. Okay, that's pretty awesome. And this is the ColorZilla webpage. So one color that I'm always trying to remember what the hex code for and the RGB colors is this FedEx purple. I just love this purple. I've really been thinking about changing my company colors to that, but I installed this Chrome extension here, so we're going to use it and see can we. Oh, look at that. It gives it all. Okay, so how do I color copy to clipboard? Okay, so what did it copy to the clipboard? Let's see if we can put up a little notepad here to see what it picked up. Ah, it just gave me the hex. But what if I need the RGB, like if I'm just in Word or something? So let's go here. RGB, I guess I have to write it down. Okay, 8120 135. So we'll write that down. 8120 135. Can I go up here? Will it let me copy this? That would be great. Yeah. Okay. I just did Control C and Control V. So like I'm over here on Canva, and well, actually Canva uses the RGB, so this isn't a great example. But like if I was going to do a new Instagram post and I wanted the background to be this awesome FedEx purple, I used to have to go and find it on the web, like look it up, Google it. Okay, so it says it copied that, and so now I should be able to use that in here in the color picker, paste that. Look at that, how perfect. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, so let's get that orange, because you know I like orange too. I bet it's like FF66. Yeah, I know it was FF6 something, because my favorite color orange is this one. So we're going to put a little bit of text on here. If you haven't tried Canva, Canva's really great too. ColorZilla rocks. Okay, so we're going to put that in there, and we're going to make it a little bigger. Maybe too big, maybe not too big. Okay, great. So we're going to color this, the orange. Let's stick it right in there. Plop that in there. Look at that. Those are the colors, the FedEx colors right there. I just picked right off of their website. Hey, let's see how close this orange comes to the FedEx orange. FF6, you know, oh, pretty close. That is awesome. I don't know what that point sample. I don't know what that means. Anyway, that's pretty awesome. So that's another cool little tool here, ColorZilla in the Chrome store. Hope that was helpful. Bye for now.